Most cats will need their nails trimmed periodically. This can seem like a daunting task, but it really is quite simple. The biggest obstacle you may have is whether or not your kitty is cooperative. Some cats are pretty indifferent to nail trims, while others object to it quite strongly. A kitty burrito is the best way to hold on to a cat who may be wiggly for a nail trim. Use a large towel or blanket. Lay your cat on the blanket a few inches back from the edge. Bring the edge up over the front paws. Snugly bring one side of the blanket over your cat's back and repeat with the other side, making a nice snug burrito. Not only does this keep your cat from being too wiggly, it can also help them feel more secure. With the bottom end of the burrito open, you can safely expose each hind foot for trimming. You can then tuck in the back end and pop out one front foot at a time. Make sure to bring the leg out so the blanket sits behind the elbow. This makes it more difficult for your cat to pull their leg back in. With the kitty burrito, you can easily master nail trims without any extra help. Now let's talk about the anatomy of a cat's nail. Nails or claws are the same material as our fingernails. When they're cut, the cat does not feel any pain as long as it's done correctly. Most cat nails are fairly clear, allowing you to see the blood and nerve supply, or the quick, within them. This darker pink area is what you want to avoid when cutting your cat's nails. Cut a few millimeters in front of the quick to avoid pain and bleeding. Use a nice, sharp pair of nail trimmers like this. They can be found at pet stores or online. If your trimmers aren't sharp enough, they may crush the nail, which can cause discomfort and painful splitting of the nail. Cats have claws which are retractable, so to cut the nails, you'll need to gently push on the end of their toes to expose the nail. Most cats have 5 claws on the front feet and 4 on the back. However, there are many cats which are polydactyl, meaning they have extra toes, so look out for those. Keeping your cat's nails trimmed will keep them from getting caught on fabrics, will keep them blunt to avoid scratching, and will keep them from growing excessively long and becoming ingrown. Time between trimming will vary cat to cat. Once you notice the nails are at a sharp point, it's time to trim them. Cats naturally shed layers of their nails as they grow, so if you notice thin layers of nail shedding from the sides of the nail while trimming, that's completely normal. As cats age, their nails often become thickened and don't shed as well. You may need to trim your cat's nails more frequently as they get older. If you're unable to trim your cat's nails at home, your veterinarian would be more than happy to do it for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more healthy pet tips.